This video is for those of you out there wondering how to vote in person on Election Day. By the time you're watching this video, hopefully you've already registered to vote. If you're not sure if you have or not, you can always check on the Georgia Secretary of State My Voters page. First step, make sure you're prepared to vote in person on Election Day. It's such an important day that you wouldn't want to show up unprepared, right? Okay, shoes, pants, shirt, check. Alright, just kidding. But not really. Actually, fun fact, in Georgia, you can't campaign within 150 feet of a polling place. So you cannot actually wear anything that's supporting one candidate or another. Back to important things. The real important thing that you do need to bring is a form of ID. And this form of ID can be can be either a passport, it can be a driver's license, or it can be a government-issued ID card. The other thing you might want to keep in mind is that lines might be pretty long on that day. So you want to make sure your phone's charged, maybe bring a book, or something to do while you're waiting in line, like a podcast. The other thing you might want to do is make sure you look up a ballot before you go, because it might be useful to just know the layout of the ballot beforehand. One place you can do that is ballotpedia.org. Second step is locating the actual polling place you're supposed to go to. It's usually listed on your voter registration card, but if you're anything like me and have no idea where you put your voter registration card, you can always look it up on that Georgia Secretary of State My Voters page. Did I mention how useful that page is? Okay. Third step, going to your polling place and voting on Election Day. Polling places are open between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. that day. Even if you show up at 7 p.m., they will still allow you to cast your vote. Once you actually get to the polling place, you'll want to show the poll worker your ID, and they'll make sure that you're in the correct location, and they'll give you instructions on how to vote. Once you have voted, don't forget your sticker. You're going to want to make sure you have that to go with your shoes, pants, and shirt that you didn't forget to wear. We are so glad that you're joining us to vote on such an important day, and the Atlanta Behavioral Health Advocates really want to thank you for standing up for the behavioral and mental health issues that we care about.
Follow us on social media to see more videos and to stay updated.